right, in this video, it's going to be serving a couple issues. It's a testimonial to what I'm doing now. I'm in a new class with Heal. Always trying to make myself better, always learning, always. But man, this class it's stellar. It started out in Unit 1. It's really hit some key points in my life. Things that I really was overlooking or not paying attention to or squashing them to the side. But anyways, this is all in the effort for me to become a Heal certified gold standard entrepreneur, right? So, um, so if you haven't heard about it, let me tell you a little bit about it. So again, I am a gold member. I'm going through the very first class in the training here with Professor Stephen Munson, who's training the course. And it's just beyond what I thought it was going to. I knew it was going to be a great product, because I bought a long time ago, even before it was completely done, right? Because I believed in Steven, I believed in Heal. And anyways, so if you haven't seen this, man, it's going to be great. I'm going to try to he's going to have a class. I'm not sure how the schedule's working yet. He's still trying to figure that out and look at everybody's schedules. But it's going to be one of those classes where you can't go to the next until you're done with what you're on. So, and then there's going to be, you have to do some actions, you do your assignments and things like that, which is great. That's accountability to me, because a lot of times I'll get the information, but I want to apply it because I'm not taking the time to actually focus on what I'm learning, writing down, journaling, and those kind of things. So anyways, yeah, the class is all about you can't go to the next step until you finish the step. So this is Unit 1. I made a post yesterday, or actually it was this morning, because we had our class day before yesterday. And again, it takes some time to go through the courses. And I'm only on Unit 1 right now. But I mean, it's very easy assignment. He asks you basically to do certain posts and with your takeaways kind of things. But those takeaways, by going through the course, is really where you grow, right? So let me go through a couple of my posts this morning. And there's a lot more I could have wrote, but this was kind of what I wrote, right? My first takeaway of the course, of all that I could have took away, but these are the things that kind of hit me, and I'm sure some of them might hit you. Some of the things that he covered in the hour-long course. Well, actually, I had an hour-long live, and then he had the actual course that will be in your back office, which is like 20 minutes. But there's a lot in there. He unpacks it very well. But there is so much more that he probably could have gone hours and hours onto these subjects, because these are the golden rules, right? And if you don't know what those are, maybe you'll get a hint of what I'm going through here. So I'll just read my takeaway for Unit 1. Deal with my problems first so that I can truly help others. First, take out the log of your own eye, and then you will see clearly to take the speck out of your brother's eye. Okay, it is Sunday, so it kind of went into my my Bible studies also, but it is so true, right? We can easily look out into the world and see errors with people, with things, with what's going on, but really, the problem is you. I mean, I have issues that I need to deal with. And like I said, I was pushing those aside. I wasn't looking at them. Yeah, I knew there were some things I need to deal with. But this class of Unit 1 is any indication of what is coming in this course, I'm going to learn a heck of a lot about myself, and I'm going to have to deal with some things. I'm going to have to pull that band-aid off and let some air to it and deal with some issues. And I love it so far. I love the fact that I have to deal with things because my overall goal was to become this entrepreneur that is helping people. You can't help people unless you help yourself first. Because, I mean, just one indication like this was more about uh, dealing with your inner demons or finding those issues with yourself, fix those first, and then you can help others resolve their issues that they may be having. But in business, you got to know who your customers are, right? What are their issues? What do they need help with? Are they things that you have dealt with in your past or you're still dealing with? That helps you resolve how to talk to them and help them better because you're going through it. You've cleared up all those problems. You found you could solve this problem for them, and you're taking years and condensing your struggles down to days for them. You're helping people out by helping them discover how you resolve this. So that's how I looked at that. And then my other takeaways, let me go to it. My other takeaways for this, um, believe in what you're doing. You have to believe. If you don't believe, people will see right through that and you'll fail. Um, you have to believe in yourself. And that's a big thing with me personally. I mean, can I do this? I don't believe I can do it sometimes. But the only way to truly defeat the belief thing is to actually do it and do it until you can do it. I mean, you're going to struggle. I'm struggling. I've been in this for a few years, but there's a lot to learn and a lot to do. And the more you do it, the more you believe you can do it, right? I mean, it's just. So, anyways, that's what I got out of that. So, believe in what you're doing. Without belief, you are destined to fail. Forgive my enemies. For some, there's going to be there's an outside enemy. For me, personally, it is me. Of course, um, there has been in the past where I have my enemies, right? And I try not to dwell on that, and I forgive them and go on. But when you have done something wrong in your life and you know it's wrong, and uh, you have to forgive yourself before you can move on to forgiving others. I mean, when you truly forgive yourself, you can look at others and it's so easy. I mean, I'm not talking in all cases because not a lot of bad things have happened in my life. There's been some bad, but most of the time it's been me causing my failures, my sins, if you will, or the problems in my life are all me. Nobody else has done these things to me except me. So I've been my biggest enemy. And I have to forgive myself and move on from there. I can't live life with those feelings because they hold you down. They don't let you free. They will trap you. You have to let go of the past. Forgive yourself. You're a human being. We make mistakes. That's how we learn. And then when you look at other people, you can go to, I mean, I'm the biggest failure or enemy of my life. People may try to hurt me, but it's when they're truly sorry for it, it's so easy for me to just say, I forgive. Let's go on and make life better. Anyways, that's what I got out of that. There's so much more I can unpack in that because that's years and years of failures on my part. and things I've done wrong to other people that I'm, feel guilty to this day and remorse. Um, but you truly got to um, just forgive yourself and go on and do those things no more, right? We're human. We're gonna make mistakes. So that's what I got out of that. There's a lot more in the class, but he just asked for 3 of takeaways. Let's see, what else did I get here? Yeah, like I said, leave all that dirty baggage at the door. There is no room in my life for that stuff anymore. It's holding me up from being the person that I want to be, that I am destined to be, the person that God wants me to be. So I cannot look at that baggage anymore. Yes, that was caused by me. It sometimes there's ramifications of people you hurt, and all you can do is all you can do. You uh, apologize, change the way you are, um, just try to be the better person and become the person you want to be, and leave that stuff at the door because it's not helping you. It's not helping you anymore in this life. If you want to help others, forgive yourself first, if that is your case. Forgive others because that is just a burden you cannot deal with. You cannot be thinking about how somebody hurt you and be able to help somebody else. It'll just destroy you. So that's what I got out of this course. Super awesome course, and I love so far every minute of it. Um, Not sure the schedule. I'm a pretty busy guy during the week, but we'll see what Unit 2 is. I really don't know the outline of the course yet. I know there's some things when I bought it that I needed, like fixing my credit score, building a business with LLC. I'm already LLC, but there's some things coming up where I'm going to learn a lot more. It's always good to learn. And the fixing my credit and then building a business credit, and those are the things I really wanted to fix my credit. I want to own a home again. I have in the past. I don't right now because I'm well, anyways. Past is past, and I am single now, but I have to go on from there, and I need to fix my credit. Yes, I'm in my 50s. It's never too late to fix your credit. I mean, everything revolves around credit scores anymore, which sometimes feels like illegal that they do that. They look at your credit score to rent a house. They look, I mean, just, you know what I'm talking about. You were there. If you're an American, and I'm not sure if this is in all countries, but I know in America, if you don't have a good credit score, you're going to pay a lot more for an item than somebody else. I mean, unless you pay cash, right? If you pay cash, you usually get some good deals. But if you're going to buy something on debt or credit or revolving credit, whatever it is, you're going to pay more with a lower credit score. Hundreds, thousands more if you have a low credit score. If you have a high credit score, you're going to get that item for a lot less. So anyways, that was my short little uh, testimonial, talk about, whatever you want to call this, on being a gold VIP member, where you are you're going to get a certification. You go through the course first. You get you get the training stamp of approval. Okay, you've been through the training. Then there's some application parts that you will not get the actual gold seal until later on, when you've proved that you've gone through all the things and you truly understand what you have gone through, and you to make yourself that gold standard certified HEAL member. So anyways, if you guys are interested, just leave a comment below, and I can give you some more information if you like. But anyway, I'm going to try to do these daily, or whenever the courses come out, I will try to do a little bit about the course without giving away the course, of course. But the course was very well built, makes you think, and it's going to make you grow. So, anyways, again, guys, this is Don Powers, and I love to hear from you. So leave a comment below. If this is on YouTube, make sure you click the bell and subscribe to this channel, because there'll be a lot more from me, and I want you to get notified. If this is on Facebook, go ahead and like and share this, because I do truly want to help you build a business. Any business, doesn't have to be Hill, but I'm going to be talking about Hill because that's what my main focus is, this business and growing it. So, of course, I'm a really technical guy, so I know how to do all the other stuff. It's more of this stuff I need to learn, and you will hear it first when I learn something new, and I will basically share this with you. So, again, guys, have a great day. Look forward to talking to you. Leave your comments below, and have a great day. Talk soon. Bye.